Good morning, people! I filmed a first impression review video and yeah, tapos ko na yung intro tsaka yung first part ng review. I'm reviewing this lip liner right here. Ito yung from Essence, yung na-feature ko sa haul ko. This one is in the shade Satin Mauve and yes, I'm liking it. And then I will also film another video. So yeah, I will film a haul again and again. Hindi ko alam kung anong kakainin ko. I had cracker and coffee kanina, but that's it. So, we'll see. Nakakainis yung pimple ko. Just finished filming a video and I decided to expose my pimp kasi papakita ko sa inyo. Kasi diba kagabi, naglagay ako ng SOS Blemish Cream. So, this is what it looks like right now. Nandito pa rin siya pero not as bumpy as kagabi. So, I did see changes sa kanya overnight ha. Kasi kahapon meron pa siyang pus. I know it's gross but hey, it's pimple. That's what happens to pimples. So, kagabi, yun yung ganap niya kagabi. What was kagabi? Yeah, Tuesday. Tapos pagising ko, ganito na siya. Hindi siya completely nag-dry up yet. Pero, like, I did see some changes. Tapos mamayang gabi, I'm gonna apply the same cream again and we'll see what's gonna happen tomorrow. So, we're home! Hindi ako naka-vlog kanina kasi yung memory card ko naiwan ko. I brought my camera, pero yung memory card naiwan ko sa lapi ko kasi I transferred the files when I was, after I did the update of this lipstick review. I mean, lip liner. Pero, yeah, after namin kumain sa mama niya, pumunta kami sa Target and then we went to Foodland as well just to get some stuff. So, I'm gonna show you guys. So, ito yung ano ko, pasta from sa bahay ng mama niya. And then we got eggs. And then, what do we have here? This is just ham right here. And then we got biscuits kasi naubos na yung biscuits ko para sa coffee. And then we also got cheese. Actually, pumunta kami sa Foodland para papalitan yung cheese ng mama niya kasi nakabili yung mama niya tapos moldy. So we went there just to get it replaced. So meron kaming cheese dito. Pero dadalhin ko to next Wednesday sa mama niya kasi hindi naman amin to. But yeah, yun lang pala. Akala ko marami kaming pinamili. Yun lang, 1, 2, 3. Tatlo lang, nakakaloka. Anyway, manunood kami ng Shark Tank. Yun yung palagi namin pinapanood kapag Wednesday. Kasi, yeah, mahilig kami sa show na yun. So, we watch that. Malapit na magsimula. Ano na, MasterChef na. So, after nito, Shark Tank na. So, yeah. Oh my gosh, wala ako masyadong vlog today. I finished filming the video. Ha 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 ha. That's my very first impression. That was my very first impression review video that I did in here. Na nandito na ako. So, oops, Shark Tank is on. Talk to you guys later. Hello, you guys! Today is Thursday. My gosh, Friday na bukas. Ang bilis, no? Nagpunta dito yung kapatid ni Dan kanina. Nag-chill lang kami dalawa. Bongga, diba? Kasi, every Thursday, meron siyang tagalinis na pumupunta ng bahay. And, yeah, as much as possible, hindi niya gustong, like, ayaw disturbo yung naglilinis. So, lumalabas siya ng bahay. So, yeah, instead of going out, dito na lang kami nag-chill. And I'm cooking rice right now. I'm just gonna have rice and tuna for lunch. I'm gonna edit my whole video. Hindi ako mag-film ngayon. That explains the no makeup today because, yeah, dito lang ako sa bahay white. Bakit parang red yun dito ko? Mistisa na ba ako? Char, mistisa. Mistisa na daw ako. Instead of sitting sa couch, dito ako sa table namin. Dito ako mag-i-edit kasi, look at this. Dito ako mag-i-edit para parang fresh air. Para meron akong view na ganyang ganap. So, yeah. Ito yung haul na hindi ko alam kung kailan magiging up, but it will be up soon. This is my lunch. We finally have this. If you watch my vlog, di ba kakabili lang namin ito. Meron siyang can opener, pero yung old style na parang ang hirap, as in sobra. Anyway, meron na kami nito. So, it's gonna be easy for me to open it na Kasi yung Century Tuna, wala siyang yung easy open can. And hindi bumili si Dan ng ganito noon kasi hindi naman siya nag-o-open ng mga can. Sabi niya, halos lahat ng mga canned goods nila dito, merong easy open na thing. Ito lang yung wala. So, pero yeah. We got it na. That was easy. Ha ha ha. I will be cooking beans today. So, nakahanda na yung shrimp ko. Na-thaw na sila. Na-thaw na ba kayo? Yeah, getting there. And then, yung cuttlefish. Fishball. Cuttlefish pa ako. Fishball lang pala. Pero yeah. Pero iba tong fishball na to. Ang sarap nitong fishball na to. Ang mahal din naman kasi. Hinintay ko lang si Dan. Darating na siguro yun in 10 minutes. My haul. Ooh, Dan! Na-save na yung haul ko. Bongga. Meron pala akong Blemish balm. Bukas i-film ko yung Color Pop haul. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Pagdating ni Dan, pupunta kami sa shops. Bibili kami ng beans kasi wala akong beans. Tapos carrots. Tapos, yun lang siguro, yeah. We got this mouse from gearbest.com. I'm just gonna put batteries in here. Meron siyang mouse pero merong cord yung mouse niya. So this one is wireless. And this one is really cool. You can fold it up like that. Nice. It's from GearBest. Same website. I got my mermaid tail blanket. And then my mirror. So I'll just put batteries in here.
Thank you, GearBest.
Yeah, thank you, GearBest. Ooh, someone just texted me.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure it's Kathy. Let me check it and then we will go.
Okay.
Text. Ooh!
What?
Guess what she said?
What?
Are you going somewhere tomorrow? Like every single time I'm planning to go somewhere, she just texts the day before and she's like, yeah,
Oh, there you go.
what do you call that? Instinct?
Yeah.
We actually talked about me going to the city tomorrow, and then Cassie texted if I have something to do tomorrow. I'm gonna respond to her later. Let's go. It's raining, man. Hallelujah, it's raining, man. We're here sa fruit and veg. It's a different one. Hindi yung malapit sa amin. So, mas cool dito actually. We will look for beans. Ooh, that looks good. Is that mushroom?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Stuffed mushroom.
Nice. Ooh, more. Huh. Let's go look for beans. What else did I tell you? Carrots. Do you like it? They don't look the best. It's not the right one. I think this one isn't then. Yeah, this one is it. They're tiny. Like they're skinny. That should be okay. It looks really green on camera. It looks really healthy.
Yeah, that look good.
Yeah. Ready?
Give me a minute.
Do you need 5 minutes?
Maybe.
Let me do it. Come here, buddy. Hello, we just got back from the shops. We got this corn chips, and then yung beans para sa dinner namin mamaya. And then gusto niya mag-add ng bok choy, something. Yeah, parang ganun. Hindi ko pa na-try ito. Siguro na-try ko na pero hindi ko maalala. Pero, yeah. And then carrots. We got a lot of carrots. And that's it. I'm gonna start cooking dinner. Is it gonna be your first time dealing with bok choy?
Yeah.
What is it? Bok choy?
Bok choy.
Bok choy. I already cut the capsicum, carrots, and then yung beans nandun na din. And then, yeah, the shrimp, and then the cuttlefish. And then I have here the garlic and the onion. And then he's cutting the bok choy.
Take some of the leaves off.
You don't want the leaves?
No, I'll take a little bit off. Not all of them, just a little bit.
We still can cook it. You won't see it.
That's right. There.
Ah,
Done.
poor leaves. Okay.
Like
So this we will cook?
Yep.
Okay, I already have the garlic and the onion in there, and then I'm gonna add the cuttlefish once the onion is translucent. Char, may ganun ako, diba? I used sesame oil. It smells so good. Sa mga vegetables na ganyan, I use sesame oil kasi wala lang, I think it goes really well together kasi sobrang bango ng sesame oil. Ang mahal nga lang nito, pero that's okay. Yum! Focus! Yummers! Meron akong rice. Siya walang rice. Kain tayo! Hello! We're just watching TV. Hindi pa nagsisimula yung MasterChef. After this show, it's gonna be MasterChef and then Shark Tank. So I will watch those two shows. I have my mermaid tail blanket again. I just finished watching unbox therapy video. Ang sarap ng dinner kanina. Did you like the dinner, babe?
It was delicious.
Yeah, it was delicious. I liked it. And I have my Blemish balm on here. This is the SOS Blemish balm. Yung nakuha ko from... Ano yung nangyari dyan? Yung nakuha ko from BB Bag. So, available siya sa boutique.com. Naka-off na yung labi ko, so wala nang edit-edit na ganap tonight. After ng show, siguro matutulog na ako. I'm not sure kung matutulog tong isa. So, yeah, that's basically it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do like if you did. Please subscribe if you're not yet already. Yung subscribe button below, yung red one, please click that. And I hope to see you on my next one. Do not forget to be good. Bye!